Can I film as we enter? Correct the logo. Get the logo. You can get the logo.
I-ano ka lang. Okay, by the way, let's start. By the way, my name is Sheila. Welcome sa Toyo. And yeah, before we start, we're just gonna give you some sinabawang gulay or yung ating vegetable soup po, ma. Just to open up your palate as well. And then we also add po yung ating moringa oil on that one, o yung ating malunggay oil. Okay? Sorry, ma'am, kailangan ko lang ng props. Baga ako siya. And then just to add more flavor, just gonna add some peppermint. And then of course for tonight you'll be having 22 dishes, but if you're gonna count it into pieces, meron po tayong 8 courses natin. So yeah, you can start with your vegetable soup po. Okay? Maraming salamat. Thank you. Next one, we'll be having some garden salad, but here in Toyo, we actually call that one Bahay Kubo. Okay, Bahay Kubo, it's our Filipino paksong. It's about 18 vegetable in it. So it means, ma'am, all the 18 vegetable in our Bahay Kubo, we just add in one bowl. Okay, what we did, we dehydrated, puree, candy, steam, lahat po ng vegetable na nakikita niyo po dyan. And then of course, for the dressing, we call it sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng linga. So that's the dressing that we add. And then on top, we just add some dehydrated eggplant po, and then we just add some peanut butter. So yeah. Okay, and then in front of you, we got some wrapper, or it's made with rice wrapper naman po. Okay? So okay na po tayo, ma'am. Pwede nating haluin. So I just gonna mix it and then put the one on top of it. Okay na? Would you imagine all the eating vegetable in our Bahay Kubo, we just add in here.
Talagang bahay ko
Yes,
po,
yes.
kompleto siya.
Lahat, yes.
Lahat ng kanta natin,
Yes, yes. Okay. So I'm just gonna put this one on top of your wrapper. And then what you're gonna do, you're just gonna fold it both sides and then i-roll nyo po siya, ma'am. So meron lang tayong konting pa activities for you. Okay? Use your head. Alright? And then after that, you can eat it na po. Okay? Salamat po. Go ahead. Okay na tayo, ma'am. And then for your next one, we got some clam or halaan. It came from sa Rojas City po, ma'am. Okay, Rojas City is actually the capital of our seafood. And then on top, we just add some malunggay powder, yung ating pumang bamboo shoot o yung ating labong. And then we also add some ginger, clam pom, tsaka po yung ating tapoy o yung ating local rice wine. And then the middle po, meron tayo ditong dahon ng sili naman. So scoop it from top to bottom para makuha nyo, ma'am, yung mga flavor natin, each layer. Okay? Salamat po.
Pinya dalanda.
Si Kapmigi. Yeah, si Kuya Bino, si Tolitz, sa bartender naman. Okay, yes. Okay. For your next one, we're just gonna give you some dipping sauce. It's actually sausawan natin. It's coconut vinegar. It came from Quezon. So we just add or we just infuse some garlic and pepper. So yeah, you'll be needing this one for upcoming dishes, ma'am. More in prito po tayo. Okay, thank you. One of my favorite na dipping sauce natin. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. And then for your next one, now you can use the dipping sauce that I give you, ma'am, kasi meron tayo ditong dalawang klaseng shrimp. So I'm just gonna start the one with the deep fried. And then of course, we make life easier for you po kasi tinanggalan na po namin siya ng shell or balat. So you can eat the one bago magbuntot. And then after that, we wrap it up with sweet potato leaves o yung dahon ng kamote natin. Okay? And then before we actually deep fry the one, gumagamit kami dito na ating harness. Harness, ma'am, ito yung ginagamit namin na sourdough sa aming panaderia. And then on top, we just add po yung ating tomato and garlic powder in it. And then the one on the basket, feeling ko familiar kayo. Ito yung ating halabos sa hipon. So halabos sa hipon means we just boil the shrimp and then we just add salt po. Ang gagawin nyo lang dyan, ma'am, tatanggalan nyo po siya ng balat. Okay? You can start with the deep fried and then next nyo po yung halabos natin. Huwag nyo lang pong kakainin nyo ba to underneath, ha? Baka makain nyo. Sige po. Using your hand, please. Salamat. Yan. Second course, you'll be having some kinilaw, or we call the one kilaw series. So I'm just gonna start the one with this one. So we get some mackerel in here, and then the one in the middle, it's actually gooseberry or family of strawberry. We also add some lime zest and then some coconut vinegar. And then the one in the middle, it's made with eggplant, and then we call the one eggplant chip. So you're just gonna lift the chip po, ma'am, and then you're just gonna bite it. And then on top, we just spread some homemade banana ketchup, and then we also add some goat o yung kambing po natin, ma'am. Na tinorch po namin siya ng a little bit, so a little bit cook po siya. And then we also add some cilantro, lime zest, and then some chicharon or excess skin ng goat na ginawa po namin chicharon. And then on the other side, one of my favorite po natin, ito po yung ating tuna. And then we just add po yung ating siling labuyo, so it has some kick on that one. And then we also add po yung ating gata, and then yung ating pickled cucumber on top. So I will suggest, ma'am, to eat the mackerel first. One piece, one bite of your chip, and then one piece of your tuna. And then make a circle po habang kinakain niyo po. Yeah, tama yung ginawa niyo. Make a circle habang kinakain niyo po siya. Okay? And then nagluluto po ba kayo, ma'am, ng mga kinilaw natin? Sa bahay?
Sometimes.
So you know this two local ingredients natin? May familiar kayo or Chico? Hindi gano'n. It's actually hindi kamukha lang siya ng Chico. Ang tawag po namin dito, ma'am, yung ating tabon-tabon.
Yes.
Tabon-tabon, it's tropical fruit po siya, ma'am, na tumutubo lang sa butuan. Okay, what we do po, ma'am, yung pinakagitna na to, we just scoop up the one in the middle, and then we just add in your kinilaw just to balance the acidity, and then para mawala din po yung mga lansa niya. Okay? And then in here, that's why we get some rice in here. Kunwari, ma'am, nagsayang kayo ng rice natin. Tapos yung mga tuna, yung mga mackerel, dito po namin siya nilalagay. And then after po, we just add po yung ating bubod or yung nag-sprinkle kami on top. Tapos, after po nang piniferment namin yung mga isda na yung bago po namin siya gawing mga kinilaw. Okay, that's how we do po yung mga kinilaw. Okay, start with the mackerel, eggplant, and then tuna. Alright, good po. Thank you. Some pork barbecue, but here in Toyo we actually call the one 3-cut pork barbecue, ma'am, because each layer and then each bite you're gonna eat a different part of the pork. So we get some shoulder, belly, and then leg, and then on top we just add po yung ating radish. So after nyo na po siya mamatikman, you can dip the one to your coconut vinegar. Okay, salamat po. Thank you. Okay, there you go. For your next one, we got something light muna in here. It's actually pork broth. And then we just add po yung ating saluyot, yung ating radish, tsaka yung ating okra on it. So hold the bowl like this, feel the warm, and then swirl nyo po. Okay, and then after that, you can sip it from here, dulo to dulo, and then you can eat po yung ating hugas bigas na cucumber. Okay, so sip, bite siya. In between po siya. Okay? And then yung gumawa po ng bowl na natin na yan, it's local artist natin na si Mia Casal, na taga Sambales po siya. So mahilig siya. Mahilig kasi siyang mag-dive. So kung ano yung nakikita niya sa ilalim ng tubig yung ginagawa. So meron po yung signature undernet na ating buwan. Right? Hindi po, nung artist.
Hindi mo talagang pwedeng uwi.
Thank you, ma'am. Sige po. It's actually more in vegetarian food. Okay, on the bottom, we just add some soybeans po natin o yung ating plain taho. And then we also add some green mango, tomato, tsaka po yung ating oyster mushroom naman po, ma'am. And then on top, we just add po yung ating spring onion on top. So, mas masarap po yan kung hahaluin niyo po muna bago niyo po siya kainin. Okay, good. Thank you. This, you've been heading to your main dish na po tayo. So magkakaroon tayo ng rice after po na ito. Okay, the one on the left side, we got some blue crab meat na galing po ito ng Cebu. And then we just add po yung ating white egg tsaka yung ating tapuy jelly. Tapuy po, ma'am, ito yung ating local rice one. And then yung nasa gitna naman po, ito po yung ating palapa sauce. It's combination po ito na ating coconut milk tsaka yung ating aligig or pots of crab. And then on the other side, we got something crunchy naman. So we got some dulong o yung maliliit po nating isda, sibuyas Tagalog, and then some green chili on it. So you can eat muna yung ating blue crab by itself. Tikman niyo po muna siya. And then later, you can combine it all together.
One each.
Yes. And then I will suggest to add more vinegar on the blue crab po. Okay? Yes, yes.
Center.
Yes, yes, yes. Alright? Maraming salamat po. Go ahead po. Thank you.
Kapampangan
Si
yan.
Kuya Jen na mahilig na magluto ng
Pagmaragol ko.
Maragul.
Maragulgo.
He's big and tall. Go!
Again, shoot! Okay, welcome to your main dish. And then you'll be having 2 ulams for dishes natin. So I'm just gonna start with our fish. And then we call the one yung ating bisugo. And then for the bisugo natin, it came from Bataan. And then we actually already debone the one so you can eat that one from head to tail. Diba? So yung in-style na pagluto dyan, para po siyang dinaing. We put yung pinaka-bisugo niya sa pan, tapos yung mainit na mantika, binuhos po namin siya. So even yung kaliskis, pwede nyo po siyang kain.
Wow.
Okay? And then best partner with your salad or ensalada. So we get some radish, cherry tomato, and then we also add po yung ating calamansi and then patis. And then for your next ulam, we got some grilled chicken thigh. It came from Baras Rizal. And then we just add po yung ating chicken sauce, casually or like a local cinnamon, tsaka yung ating garlic chips on it. And then lastly, we got some rice in here that we actually cook it in our clay pot so it has some tutong underneath, which is the best part in it. And then on the middle, meron po tayo ditong steamed kangkong tsaka yung ating hybrid na corn na galing po ito ng Quezon. Kasi that's why it's hybrid, ma'am. It has 2 color, which is yellow and then white. And then yeah, bubuksan ko lang po siya.
Pakita na.
Wow! It's one of my favorite na rice.
Dalawa talaga.
Etong rice na po ito, season siya for this month. Favorite ito ng mama ko. So kapag meron kaming supply na ito, binibilang ko ito. Napakalambot na itong corn na ito. Tapos, ang tamis niya.
Corn and rice.
Corn and rice. Ingat lang po sa clay pot, medyo mainit siya ng coffee.
Yes.
Yung totong ma'am, kunin niyo ma'am yung totong. Masarap yun ito. It's actually something refreshing muna tayo, ma'am. So, on the bottom, we just add po yung ating rice pudding o yung ating tostadong bigas. We also add some dragon fruit, passion fruit, longgan, pomelo, buko sorbetes, and then some merengue powder on top. Okay? Maraming. So, we got some palitaw in here, o yung ating purple sticky rice. And then, yung kulay puti, ma'am, ito po yung ating minatamis na gata. And then, we also add po yung ating latik. Tapos, ma'am, we also add yung ating rosella o yung hibiscus po. And then, yung red dot, yan po yung ating tamarillo or family po siya ng ating tomato naman. Okay, so haluin niyo po muna bago niyo kayo. Huwag lang kakainin niyo yung bigas sana nasa labas. Hindi pa yan ito. Baka makain niyo. Sige, ma'am.
Yes. Ang ganda ng ngiti mo. Salamat. Thank
So, ito po yung tinatawag namin sweets or magiging last part ng inyong tasting menu. Maraming salamat. Sana narinig po kayo sa dinner tasting namin. So, ito may kasama din. So, niluluto namin siya sa oven. Tapos ihaw. Bago i-serve sa inyo para magkaroon siya ng another texture. Yan. Importante sa iyo ito na nakakita. Importante doon.